Number 1. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V Coupe, classic elegance. Price: $9,900. Location: Monmouth, Illinois. This one-owner 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V Coupe offers timeless luxury with its original blue exterior and matching blue interior. Powered by a 460 engine, this car runs smoothly and has been garage-kept since purchase. With 138,000 miles on the odometer, its automatic transmission ensures a comfortable driving experience. Maintained within the family since new, this signature series Lincoln features its original paint, a clean title, and has no significant damage or issues. A true classic for those who appreciate elegance and heritage. A well-preserved piece of automotive history, ready for its next owner. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible project car with potential. Price: $3,000. Location: Springfield, Missouri. This 1989 IROC Z convertible is a great opportunity for an enthusiast looking for a restoration project. Featuring a 305-tune port injection engine and an automatic transmission, this Camaro has 119,000 miles and boasts a black exterior with a gray interior. It comes with 22-inch wheels fitted with good tires, but needs a new convertible top. Additionally, the engine wiring harness needs to be connected, meaning it is not currently drivable. This vehicle is sold without a title and is available for $3,000 cash, no trades. A solid foundation for a classic muscle car build. Number 3. 1966 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan, classic lowrider with power. Price: $7,000 or best offer. Location: Winterset, Iowa. This 1966 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday 4-door hardtop is a true vintage lowrider with style and performance. Featuring the original Olds 425 Super Rocket engine, 365 HP. Paired with a turbo 400 transmission, it runs great and has 96,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a 4-pump, 8-battery hydraulic setup, reinforced rear differential, and lower control arms, this Oldsmobile has been modified the right way. The car also comes with the original steering wheel and fender skirts. While the hydraulics leak some, and the car could use new front tires, it holds a clean title and has no major damage. The exterior has been repainted previously, and some rust spots are present, but it remains a strong example of a classic cruiser. A great opportunity for an enthusiast looking for an Oldsmobile with character and history. Number 4. 1963 Plymouth Belvedere, classic style at a great price. Price: $4,999. Sales tax and fees not included. Location: Walla Walla, Washington. This 1963 Plymouth Belvedere is a great find for classic car lovers. With only 1,000 miles since restoration, it features an off-white exterior with a tan interior, maintaining a vintage and elegant look. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it an easy cruiser for weekend drives or a stylish addition to any collection. Offered for sale by Walla Walla Auto Sales, LLC, this vehicle is available for viewing and purchase. Interested buyers can contact Noel Barajas for more details. The sale is subject to a $200 negotiable dock fee, and the VIN is available upon request. Don't miss your chance to check out this classic, perfect for enthusiasts looking for a standout vintage ride. Number 5. 1990 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, classic luxury with strong performance. Price: $3,000 without custom wheels, $4,500 with wheels. Location: Kansas City, Missouri. This 1990 Cadillac DeVille Coupe exudes vintage charm with its yellow exterior and tan interior. With 156,000 miles, it runs smoothly thanks to a strong motor and transmission, delivering the comfort and elegance expected from a classic Cadillac. The vehicle is available in two options: $3,000 with original factory Tiger Paw tires, $4,500 with custom wheels and brand new 225/60/16 tires. This DeVille coupe has been well maintained and continues to offer a refined driving experience. The Cadillac name is synonymous with luxury, and this model reflects its legacy with a spacious interior and effortless cruising capability. Whether kept as a collector's item or enjoyed on the road, this Cadillac is a solid investment in timeless American automotive craftsmanship. Number 6. 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, classic muscle with timeless style. Price: $8,500. Location: Robinson, Kansas. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a true classic, offering power and elegance with its 390 engine and automatic transmission. With 84,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a great choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for vintage muscle. Featuring a burgundy exterior with a white interior, this Thunderbird has received several key updates, including a new carburetor, plugs, wires, and timing adjustments. The seller also notes that it will soon be equipped with better tires and its original rims and hubcaps for a more authentic look. A well-maintained American classic, ready to hit the road or add to a collection. Number 7. 1978 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, high-performance classic. Price: $9,000. Location: House Springs, Missouri. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a stylish classic with impressive power upgrades. With 100,000 miles, it features a built 460 engine loaded with aftermarket crank, rods, pistons, head, and main studs, offering enhanced durability and performance. Equipped with Performer RPM heads, intake, cam, and roller rockers, this Thunderbird is built for power. It also includes MSD ignition and distributor, Hooker super comp headers, and a C6 transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and strong acceleration. Finished in white with a red interior, this well-maintained classic comes with a clean title and no significant damage. A fantastic opportunity for those seeking a high-performance vintage Thunderbird. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet Impala, classic project car with strong drivetrain. Price: $6,500. Location: Bauxite, Arkansas. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala is a promising project car with a rebuilt 350 engine and 350 turbo transmission. While the previous owner handled the upgrades, the drivetrain is in great condition. The car features a gold exterior and is equipped with an automatic transmission. All lights and blinkers work except the headlights, and the body has no missing chrome. However, it currently needs brake work, making it a yard driving project at this stage. Floor pans need replacement due to rust, and the front bench seat is worn, though the headliner was redone. Included in the sale are a brand new ignition barrel and key, along with extra parts in the back seat. The glove box holds service records dating back to the early 2000s. The car comes with a clean title, though it is not yet in the seller's name, which is being addressed before sale. Ready for an enthusiast willing to restore it. Cash and trailer required for pickup. First come, first served. Number 9. 1960 Ford Thunderbird, classic restoration project. Price: $2,500. Location: West Plains, Missouri. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird is a solid project car with great potential. Originally a Texas car, it has a white exterior and red interior. Though missing the engine, transmission, and radiator, the body remains in good condition with reparable rust. The floors and underside look solid, with only surface rust, and the trunk has a rust-through spot in the spare tire area. Included in the sale is a brand new gas tank with sender. The car holds a good Missouri title in the seller's name, though the left and right door glass have cracks. This Thunderbird requires a full restoration, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic back to life. The seller is open to trades or best offers. Contact directly for more details. Number 10. 1984 Ford Country Squire XLT. Classic family wagon in great condition. Price, $8,500. Location, Paris, Missouri. This 1984 Ford Country Squire XLT station wagon is a fantastic vintage cruiser, powered by a 5.0 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It boasts power windows, power locks, tilt steering, cruise control, cold AC, and hot heat, making it comfortable for long trips. Finished in brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this wagon runs and drives great. The vehicle is not rusty, though it has a few minor dings and some clear peeling on the wood grain trim. A true road trip-ready classic, perfect for those looking to relive a Griswold-style adventure. Number 11. 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark 7 LSC. Timeless elegance in original condition. Price, $8,500. Location, Perry, Oklahoma. This 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark 7 LSC sedan is a stunning classic that remains all original, including its powerful 460 engine. With 78,000 miles, this beauty retains its blue exterior and matching blue interior, offering a refined and authentic driving experience. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Lincoln has been well preserved and is paid off, making it a great option for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a classic luxury ride. The solid body and original styling make it a standout example of American automotive craftsmanship. Whether admired in a collection or enjoyed on the road, this Lincoln delivers an unmatched combination of comfort and power, a true representation of timeless automotive design, waiting for its next owner to appreciate its heritage. Number 12. 1976 Plymouth Valiant Premier Classic Sedan open for trade. Price, $2,500. Interested in trades. Location, Joplin, Missouri. This 1976 Plymouth Valiant Premier is a solid classic sedan, offering 1,902 miles on the odometer. Finished in a brown exterior, it features an automatic transmission, making it an easy and smooth ride. While details on the interior are not specified, this vintage model retains its distinctive Plymouth charm. The seller is actively looking for trades, particularly for a reliable work truck to support their business. This presents a great opportunity for those interested in swapping vehicles rather than purchasing outright. If you have a truck that fits their needs, reach out and explore potential trade options. A classic car ready for its next owner, whether through a trade or purchase. Number 13. 1948 Plymouth Sundance Sedan Classic Restoration Project. Price, $1,500. Open to trades. Location, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1948 Plymouth Sundance sedan is a solid foundation for a restoration project. Featuring a green exterior with a tan interior, this vintage car comes with a manual transmission. The seller notes that the actual mileage is uncertain, but it has 300 miles listed. While the vehicle has been sitting for a few years and does not currently run, it did run when parked. It has a clear title, and the seller is open to trade offers, making it a great opportunity for those interested in classic car restoration. A piece of automotive history waiting for the right enthusiast to bring it back to life.